How do you politely deal with someone who talks too much? Imagine you're at a gathering and someone just keeps talking without giving others a chance to speak. It can be tricky to handle, but there are simple ways to keep the conversation balanced and respectful. When you understand how conversation works, you can gently guide it without hurting feelings. First, remember that good conversation relies on turn-taking. Everyone should get a chance to share their thoughts. If someone dominates, they might not realize they're talking too much. Using subtle signals can help. For example, you can nod gently or make eye contact and then look away to show you want to speak. Slightly raising your hand or leaning forward can also signal your interest in joining the chat. Next, try pausing after the person finishes speaking. This brief silence often creates an opening for you to add your thoughts. Pausing is a natural part of conversation and shows you're listening while giving you a chance to speak. If the person keeps talking without stopping, politely interrupt by saying something like, "That's interesting. May I add something?" Or, "Can I share my perspective?" This shows respect and gently reminds them it's your turn. Sometimes it helps to set clear boundaries with kind words. You might say, "I'd like to share my thoughts too," or "I want to make sure we both get a chance to talk." This way, you express your needs without being confrontational. Modeling good turn-taking yourself can also encourage others to follow suit. When you take turns and pause often, others may mirror your behavior. In group settings, using structured techniques like a talking object or a timer can be useful. For example, passing a small object around signals who has the floor, making sure everyone gets a turn. Managing your own speech style is important too. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace, using pauses to emphasize points and invite others to respond. This helps keep the flow of conversation smooth and engaging. Finally, consider that some people talk too much because they might be anxious, excited, or unsure of social cues. Showing patience and understanding can help them feel comfortable. Gently guiding the conversation while being empathetic can improve communication for everyone involved. Balancing respect with gentle strategies is key. Using cues like pauses, polite interruptions, and clear language helps create a friendly, fair exchange. These methods are rooted in social communication skills that are often taught in speech therapy. They help make conversations more enjoyable and fair for all participants.